LovelyShenell. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys a DIY way to make a ring light. It's very reasonable. All the products I've gotten from Walmart. So let me show you the products that I got. You will need a 18-inch wreath frame, zip ties, chapter 16 feet LED rope light, daylight. Make sure it says daylight. And a paper towel holder with the loop on it. And some scissors and some foil paper. So right here, I'm just wrapping the foil around the wreath frame so that I can put the lights around it. So the lights are going to go around the wreath frame 3 times, and then I'm just going to apply the zip ties as I go around the frame. So now I'm going to cut the zip ties so they won't be sticking out. Now I'm wrapping the lights around the wreath. Then I'm going to connect the lights to the paper towel holder. So right now I'm applying the zip ties from the paper towel holder to the wreath, so when it stands up, it won't fall over. So this is what the paper towel stand looks like with the ring light on top of it. So this is how it looks when it's plugged in. Oh my god, yo, look at this. This is so dope. This is so dope. So this is how it looks when the lights are on. So I'm going to go into the bathroom where it's dark, and I'm cutting one in there. So I'm in the bathroom now, and the only light source I have right now is from the ring light. The bathroom lights are off. just the ring light is on, and yo, the quality just got real lit right now. So I'm filming this on my iPhone, and it looks really good on my iPhone. So all the products I use to make this DIY ring light, I will leave it in the description down below. So if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more. And if you guys have any questions about this DIY ring light, leave it down below in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video.